ADMA stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented. And how I'm basically looking at ADMA is I'm looking at it from a bullish lens. Targets at 25.67. We have my demand zone here. And the one thing that I will care most about is it giving me a shift. So if I continuously want to buy here, lower time frame confirmation is fine. So what I mean by that is if I see a confirmation here, I'm fine to go buy more. That's simple. So what I'll do here is to do it like that. Here's my top. Obviously without confirmation I'm not buying, so I'm waiting. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free. And I showed you here in the Discord about just some receipts that I've gotten, 2 receipts about this. So goodbye and enjoy.